Good day and welcome back to my channel. I am Johansen. Today we're gonna do some editing. Have you ever wanted to edit dark, moody and industrial photos like this? Well, you are in luck because that's what we are going to do today. Do check this out. Hope you all have a very wonderful Thursday. Let's jump straight into the editing. No fussy fuss. Here I got my photo. This is the one I'm going to start with. So again, like I said last time, the first thing I always do is crop it so it fits for Instagram. And actually I want to crop it a little more here. I'm using a Canon R5, so I have quite a lot of megapixels to play around with it here, so I can zoom quite a bit in without actually losing detail. I kind of want to get this away. I don't want that in the photo. So let's see if I can get something like that. That's alright. It's a little bit blurry here, but that's alright. That's fine. And okay. First thing first. First thing I always do is go down here. I'm putting one there and I will put another one down here. I'll take this down a little bit like so. Not too much. We can come back here and play around with this later. It's not a problem. And we'll just take this up a little bit, there. And then we will go back up here. I will take down the highlights to there. This is, I always do. I don't want it there, I want it down here. Not all the way, but something like that. And the shadows, I will now get back up. Actually, I'm going to put it quite up here. I can come back and change it later if I feel like I have to. So, next thing is the whites. And maybe a little bit just to make it shine a little bit more. Like that. And then we take the blacks quite a bit down. I think 40 should be fine there. Texture, always taking it down. That's something I always do. Clarity now, I'm taking actually quite a bit off. Actually, no, I don't want to. No, never mind. I'm putting it back to 25. The haze, I'm not going to do anything with. The vibrance. Let's see how this. No, not too much. I want it to be dark and maybe not as colorful. So I'll put this up here, there, and then I'll take the saturation down to, let's see, 26, maybe something like that. Just, you know, not making it as colorful makes it more, I don't know, in my head it makes it more industrial, more raw. So I think that's fine. And then we can go down and start play around with the here. You know, there's a couple of things I want to bring down, and that's the orange. I'm gonna put that down to, let's say 46. There we go. Perfect. Put the reds down a little bit. Then some of the yellow. Just to, you see here, if I put it all the way up, you see what I'm actually taking down. I'm taking that down because that wall on the background actually doesn't look very nice. I'm taking that way down to minus here somewhere. Yeah, that should be fine. Something like that there. And you can already tell like there's quite a bit of difference. So, but of course we're not finished yet. Actually want to put, let's play around with this a little bit. Yeah, this isn't bad. Not that much. This should be fine. Yeah, this looks great. Then we can do some split toning. I will put this in, here. Like, it's not going to be this yellow, but I'm doing this because I can change all the yellows to. I'm going to twist the yellows a bit after. There we go. I will actually put some green in here, like so. I'm not going to do anything here. Do that. Put that on. But do I? No. I'll keep that one off actually. Then we can come down to vignetting. And I'll just put like so. It's not gonna do much, but it's very subtle. And now we come down here, which is where the final steps are basically. First of all, I'm gonna take the reds down here. Remove some of that yellow, and this will help remove some of the yellow in the background. I'll put not that much though. Put it down there. And the blues. What will happen if I do something here? That's not too bad. I'll just put it there, and then I will experiment with the green. I think here is a good. What I actually took as inspiration for these photos were the Vikings TV series, because it has this green sort of dirty, almost desaturated look to it. And that's actually kind of fitting in this scenario. So I decided to go for it, and it turned out great. And let's see if this actually fits with another photo as well. I have a very similar. We can actually just copy this, Command C on Mac, and then we copy what we need. And we go over to the photo number 2, and you do a crop to get it matching with Instagram, and like so, and we paste. And to me it looks great. I think that we actually have that. We can maybe fine adjust some small. No, actually I don't. No, that's actually pretty good. I'm actually quite happy with that. So yeah, there you have it. These are my steps for a dark, moody, industrial photo. I must say, I'm quite happy about how this turned out. If you have any questions, or if you have some advices on what you want me to make a tutorial on, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll take a look. And yeah, this was quite a chill afternoon, I must say. Not the longest video today. I hope you'll enjoy it Thursday. The weekend is right around the corner, and I'll be posting every Thursday, so do stick around. And I'll see you in the next one.